This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make restaurant-style fried rice at home. First, ensure you use day-old cold rice. This prevents stickiness and ensures individual grains. Next, gather and chop all your ingredients, such as vegetables and protein, into small, uniform pieces. This preparation, known as mise en place, is crucial for quick stir-frying. Finally, heat your wok or a large, heavy-bottomed pan to a very high temperature before adding any oil. Achieving that signature restaurant flavor relies on high heat and quick cooking. Begin by searing your protein, like shrimp or chicken, until it's almost cooked through, then set it aside. Next, add a bit more oil and quickly stir-fry aromatics such as minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Immediately follow with your chopped vegetables, cooking them for 1 to 2 minutes until they are crisp tender, not soggy. Now it's time to bring everything together for that perfect texture and flavor. Push your cooked vegetables and aromatics to one side of the pan, then add 1 or 2 beaten eggs to the empty space and quickly scramble them. Once the eggs are mostly set, add your cold rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Finally, return your cooked protein to the pan and season generously with soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Give everything a vigorous toss for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are evenly coated and heated through. This final stir-fry helps develop a slightly smoky, wok-high flavor. Serve your delicious restaurant-style fried rice immediately, garnished with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of color and freshness. For more great cooking tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle mentioned, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.